La ciudad se llama Nuevo México, el estado.
Pretty cool, right? What you just watched was an AI-generated movie created by the Door Brothers, a YouTube channel that's completely changing the game. They're pulling in millions of views and making serious money, all without filming anything or even showing their faces. Now, what if I told you that you can create something just like this? Yes, even if you're a total beginner. In this video, I'm gonna break it all down step by step and show you exactly how to create your own AI-powered movie or video production. And don't worry, I've made it super easy to follow. I've also prepared a Google Doc with all the steps and prompts from this video, so you can download it and follow along. The link is in the description below. Now here's the catch. Don't skip any steps. Missing even one could throw off your results. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to start creating your own AI-generated movies. And trust me, the possibilities are endless. Before we begin, I want to mention that I've put a lot of effort into researching and learning how to create these videos, along with preparing the Google Doc. If you find this content helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like to help the algorithm reach more people. In these videos, we will divide the steps into 4: generating image prompts, generating image to video, and video editing. So in these videos, I choose to create Prison Break. Prison Break is an American crime drama TV series. I choose these drama because I like it, but feel free to choose any movies or drama you like. Step 1. Generating image prompts. For these one, I already created a question prompt to ask ChatGPT. The prompt explains, can you summarize blank movie name into blank number of key scenes and create detailed prompts for each scene that I can use to generate visuals with AI? I want to replace the main characters of the movie with celebrities or figures of my choice. First, let me know how many key characters there are in the movie, and I will provide the celebrities to replace them. Then, include the celebrities' appearances, key traits, and demeanor in the scene descriptions to ensure consistency. The prompts should describe the characters, settings, and emotions in each scene, focusing on the most iconic and impactful moments of the movie. As you see here, we only need to enter the movie name or drama. Also, we have to enter the number of scenes we need to create images for. In this case, I will ask for just 4 key scenes. Okay, now let's hit enter. Now ChatGPT provided us with primarily key characters, and it is asking, let me know which celebrities you'd like to replace these characters with. Once you provide the list, I'll create 4 key scenes from the story and develop detailed prompts for generating visuals, ensuring the characters' appearances, traits, and demeanors match your chosen replacements. Now we need to give the celebrities we want to replace the main characters. Here, just provide the celebrities you think match the character, then hit enter. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will be done with the Prison Break drama image prompts. As you see, it divides into key scenes. Look here. First, it provides the description of the scene, then the prompt for AI generation. Now, after we have the prompts, step 2, generating an image. For generating images, we can use many AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Magic Media, and more. After much learning, I think Ideogram is the best for this type of image creation. So first, open your browser and search for Ideogram. Then paste the prompt, choose the ratio of the scale you want, select the model to 2.0, and hit generate. After a few minutes, your image will be ready, and as you see, the results are fantastic. Look, Trump is like Michael Scofield and The Rock is like Fernando Sucre. The tattoo and the prison are also perfect. Step 3, image to video. To convert images to videos at this time, it's so easy with all these AI tools, but getting good results with a free plan is not easy. But there is Hailu AI, a free AI tool for converting images to videos. Till now, the results are crazy. So let's open your browser and search for Hailu AI. Here we can use 2 methods, one text to video and the second image to video. But for now we will use image to video. So upload your image. Then you need to write what movement you want the image to have. After that, hit generate. Then after a few minutes it will be done. And as you see, the results are very good. Step 4, video editing. After creating all the images and converting them into videos, we need to combine them with background music and some effects to make it a full video. For this, we will use CapCut. First, upload the background music and the videos. Then drag the scenes one by one to the timeline. After that, drag the background music to the timeline and cut the end of it. Then let's cut the scenes to make them short. Next, let's go to stocks and search for a black background. After that, drag it to the timeline, go to sound effects and search for TV off, then drag it to the timeline. Let's cut the end of the black background. After that, let's drag text, write the producer's name or anything you want for the end, and then add animation for it. Then copy the text and paste it again on the previous text. Next, choose a font, increase the size, change the color, and add animation. Then make them start at the same time and cut the ends. Now go to filters, choose vibrant, and drag it to the end. Feel free to edit as you like here. Then export the video.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with.